Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Dia and I love creating makeup videos. And today I'll be creating this easy natural glam that you can wear in everyday basis. And yeah, if you're interested in this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Johnson's moisturizer, and this moisturizer is very budget friendly and it also hydrates your skin pretty much well. It is lightweight and also non-greasy as well. Then for primer, I'll be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Control Primer. This primer is very good and it hides the pores and creates that smooth canvas. And yeah, this is a bit expensive, but it's worth it. Then for lip balm, I'm going on with this Joy Papaya Sun lip balm. This lip balm hydrates your lips and it also has SPF 15, which is a plus point. So yeah, this is budget friendly and it also does the work. In the next step, I go on with this Maybelline Superstay Concealer and apply it on my dark circles. I mostly apply it on the center of my face where it needs corrections. And yeah, concealer is very much important as it hides out all your dark circles as well as smooths out your face. And yeah, I just love concealers for everyday basis. Then I blend it out with a damp beauty blender, and yeah, I just tap the beauty blender instead of dragging it, and this provides most coverage. Then for eyebrows, I'll be using this eyebrow powder, and yeah, I just started from the edge of my brows and then gradually move in the front. And I just love using eyebrow powders as it's very easy and it doesn't need a lot of work as well. And this also helps to achieve that natural eyebrows. Then for blush, I'll be going on with this iconic London blush palette and use this sunsetty peachy shade and apply it on the high points of my cheeks, and then I apply it on the middle of my cheeks and gradually move upwards to lift my face. And one tip I want to give you guys is that while using cream blushes, don't use directly from the palette. Apply some of it on the back of your hands and then apply it on your cheeks so that you can achieve that natural peachy look. I've been loving using cream blushes as it provides the blush that looks like it's coming from within. Then with this Bourjois compact powder, I apply it with a triangular puff and just tap the product all over my face. And this compact powder provides a matte finish for a very long time. And then for mascara, I'll be going on with this Volume Express The Rocket Mascara. I love this mascara as it is waterproof and it holds your eyelashes for a very long time. I think this is one of the best drugstore mascara, and yeah, you can see the difference as well. Then for lips, I'll be using that same peachy cream blush and apply it on my lips. I love cream blushes as it is useful for so many multiple uses. This is how the look turned out to be. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll be seeing all of you in my next video.